Today in this tutorial I will discuss about PHP super global variable session. Session is a PHP super global variable. By using session you can store data in various variable and then you can use in various pages, I mean your website pages. The specialty of session variable is when users closed browsers then session will destroy. Okay, I mean you can use your session data until your users closed the browsers. Now in this tutorial I will show you very basic theme of session in PHP, but in future when I will show you the live project of PHP, I mean live web development, then you will learn about it more. Okay, so don't worry, let's go to see live that how to use session. Okay, first open your XAMPP control panel, start Apache and MySQLi. Go to your folder directory, XAMPP, htdocs or first folder. Okay, edit with notepad++, open your browser, write localhost / your folder name. You can see PHP session. Okay, in our previous tutorial I have showed about PHP file handling, I mean image uploading, how to upload image. Anyway, first here write a PHP blog, suppose PHP, and here write a PHP super global variable $_session, capital letter. Okay, then third bracket and here quotation, and here just write, suppose I write username, you can write anything, username equal to, suppose I write Smith. Okay, and again write $_session. Okay, session super global variable, and here just write pass or password, you can write anything, password, then password equal to, suppose I write as example 1 2 3 4, and now just print it, echo, suppose I here write username is, suppose just concate here the super global variable username. Okay, here we have stored, you can see session username, you can see session username equal to Smith. Okay, this name username is stored the session super global variable username, and here just echo username is you can see concat and then session. Okay, first this text will print and then will concat the username, you can see concat username, and here just concat a break, HTML break. Okay, and just Ctrl+D to double the line, and here just write, suppose password is, here will be just password. Okay, and just remove it, we don't need break the last line, and you can see username $_session username is equal to Smith, and password equal to 1 2 3 4. I have write it as example, just example. You can see echo username is $_session, then username we have concat, and then password, concat the password session here. If you refresh the browser, you can see username is Smith and password is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you can, by using $_session super global variable, store data, and you can use this data in anywhere of your web pages. Okay, and when you use the session you need to start the session, this is the best practice, and you need to write the session the top of the file. Okay, at the beginning or point of your file you need to start, here just write session_start. Okay, this function you need to write it, session_start. When you write session_start, I mean session start, it will starting the store data. Okay, you can see, but you need to start session, this function right into the top of your file. Okay, you can see this is the top position, this is the best practice of programming. Anyway, you can see and refresh, you can see the same results. So this is the basic theme, but when I will show you the live project you will learn more about and practical handed. Okay, anyway, don't worry, I am showing just the basic theme. Okay, Also in super global variable sessions there's have some functions you can see: unset, session unset, session destroy, etc. Okay, if you write here suppose session underscore unset, okay, this function, you can see I have stored username here and password is here, but you can see I have echoed this session username in previous of session unset, you can see. So program will print this username here, but you can see we have unset the session function previous the password. Okay, so here will be generate a error and undefined this password. You can see line number 22 here will be undefined cause we have stored this password here but unset here. Okay, for this you can see if you refresh here, you can see username is Smith is printed. You can see username is Smith printed, but you can see notice undefined index password line number 22. You can see line number 22, you can see password is undefined cause here we have used session unset function. Okay, you can see here just printed password is not password printed. By using session unset function you can unset any session. Okay, anyway, also if you write here suppose here, you can see I have stored username and password here, but here I write session unset. Okay, I mean call the function unset function session unset, and for this here will be both are error. You can see undefined index username line number 21 but username is blank, and undefined index username 22 password is blank. Okay, you can see. So I hope you understand how to use session. Also you need to destroy the session when you start the session. This is the best practice that you need to destroy the session. Okay, when you collect some data from your users or when your users log out the account, you need to destroy the session. Okay, but when your users closed the browsers, I mean closed the browsers, it will automatically destroy the sessions. But when your users only log out the account, I mean log out something account, then you need to destroy the sessions. Okay, this is the best practice. So just call destroy. Okay, sorry, here will be session underscore destroy. Okay, just call the function where you want to destroy. You can see here just print the session and then finally we want to destroy the session. Refresh your browser, you can see printed, and when your users log out the account, session will be destroy. Okay, this data you can see Smith password, which data we are stored into session, all data will be destroyed. Okay, so thank you. In future you will learn the practical handed, I mean practically how to use the session